What is up guys, it's Rosam here, and today we are going to talk about what are the biggest mistakes a programmer can make in his career. So let's get started. Programming is an amazing thing you can do. You can do it for living, you can do it as a hobby, you can do it for making things or breaking things. Either way, being a programmer is such an amazing feeling. So what are the biggest mistakes a programmer can make in his career? Let's find out. The first point I'm going to introduce is not thinking and researching. When you are up to develop something, you need to do a lot of researching and thinking. You have to design the entire architecture of the application in your mind. The flow of the application, the database structure, the entire architecture, and write it down somewhere on a paper or in the computer, maybe on a Word document or something. And the other thing you need to do is researching. Just Google. Maybe what you are trying to implement has already been developed, maybe as a WordPress plugin or NPM package, so you don't have to reinvent the wheel. So just Google what you are trying to implement and see how other people has done it. When I am up to develop something, I do a lot of researching and think. That initial thinking and researching makes the development so much easier. You don't have to undo your code, you don't have to repeat yourself. So this is really important. The other mistakes programmers mostly make is the confusion about which language to choose to develop the solution. It's like a mental war about choosing a language. Should I develop this with JavaScript or Python or PHP? There are so many programming languages in the world, and don't worry about that. Just step back and focus on the basics. Programmers are problem solvers, not language experts. So design your application as an algorithmic way. Once you broke down problem and figured out the solution, you will know which language to choose. So the third mistake I'm going to talk about is not taking breaks. Like I said, programming is thinking. So when you are continuously thinking, you need to take breaks. That will not only get you some rest, that will fuel you up with new ideas and capacity of thinking. So taking break is really important. I don't know, some people working hours and hours continuously and not taking any breaks, working overnights, staring at screens and still frustrated. That won't help. Take regular breaks when you are working. If you are a programmer, take breaks. That will really help for your health and your thinking ability. If you are an employer, let your employees get some rest or take breaks. Client may come and go, but your true asset is your developers and employees. So let your employees get some rest. The other mistakes I'm going to talk about is not using any tools. There are so many tools regarding programming that makes our life so much easier when you are developing something. Like IDEs, version control systems and debuggers, they help a lot when we are developing. IDEs like PHP Storm has so many features that makes our life so much easier when we are developing something. Inbuilt terminals, inbuilt version control system, inbuilt code refactors, inbuilt code navigators, they makes our life so much easier. And tools like source tree. If you don't know any git commands when you are version controlling, just use a tool like source tree. You don't have to know any git commands, just use the graphical user interface of source tree and you can do the version control so much easier. When you are using these tools, you don't have to worry about these things because these tools will do it for you. You just need to focus on your application development. So I have put some tools regarding development in the description. You may want to check that out. The other mistakes most programmers make is not enjoying programming. If you are a developer or programmer, enjoy programming, enjoy coding, enjoy problem solving. You won't get tired of programming or working as a programmer if you love programming. I love programming because I love making things and maybe breaking things. So I learned programming and that makes my life so much entertaining when I'm developing something. So this should be same for you as well. Watch videos regarding programming. There are so many on YouTube and other platforms, and watch films regarding programming. I'm going to put some links in the description about the films regarding programming. You may want to check that out as well, and read books or watch films regarding great tech entrepreneurs like Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Mark Zuckerberg. These will make a huge difference in your programming career, trust me. So that's it guys. If you have something to add, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one.